Remax Lights, as one of the most professional group, working for the best lighting solutions, fulfills the need of technical lighting in residential, public premises, industrial and outdoor projects. We are specialized in applying, researching and developing innovating products, including SMD lights, IPL lights, OPL lights, COB lights, panel and floodlights. Remax Lights associate with business partners, with the objective to bring to market a wider range of lights, so that customers can be given a choice in technology and products. Remax encourage all stakeholders to provide total customer satisfactions by best-in-class products and services.